We'll come back to storage room. Front door as you walk in, right here on the right, half bath. Right beside that, elevator goes upstairs. Right behind me, behind the door, this is the low voltage closet. On the back side of the storage room, we'll see in a minute. Come back around, elevator. This will be one bedroom. Downstairs. With a bathroom and a closet. Small full bath, walk-in shower. One thing we did, we had them wire high outlets over where the dresser will be, so we mount TVs on the wall. Go ahead and have outlets there. And we'll go upstairs. We got 5 foot wide stairs instead of 4 feet for ease of moving furniture. Straight across from the stairway when you get upstairs is laundry room, electric panel, laundry room, washer dryer. We're gonna have 4 locking lockers right here, very tall, one for each family to lock their stuff up in. We'll go down the hallway here to the back of the house. See the elevator shaft coming upstairs. Come back here, let's start with the master bedroom. This is the master bedroom. Very big bedroom, nice size. Come across here, there's the closet. We intentionally didn't put big closets in since this is a vacation home. Here's the master bath. Double vanity, toilet, walk-in shower. Have glass doors on it. Dual cans over it. Come back out, go across the hallway. As you come out of the master, there'll be a small linen closet to the left. Beside that is the guest room. All the bedrooms will have queens except for the master, which will have king. Here's the guest bedroom with a closet. As you come out before we get to the front of the house, there's another bath right here. Full bath with a tub for small children. Sink, toilet. And let's go to the front of the house. As you walk into, I'm gonna scan this real quick so you can see. This is the front of the house. We'll come back in just a minute. Here's a pretty lady. All right, so as we come in here, there's a pantry here, kitchen. Across here, sink will be right there. I'm actually standing where a kitchen island will be. You can see the marking on the floor there. Have power going to it. Back into the kitchen. There's the switches for the dining area. Pam is standing into the dining. The dining table there. We actually have 3 cans over the table area. We decided not to put a chandelier, so it'll give us more flexibility where the table goes. And then on the other side is the den. That'll be electric fireplace, TV mount over it, big TV over it. Have couch, probably love seat on one side, chair on the other. We have cans all the way around both rooms here, actually all 3 rooms. We have ceiling fan mounts, ceiling fans with no lights, just ceiling fans only since we have cans all the way around. Let's go out here. Those double doors swing open wide. There's keep open. It's an 8-foot deep porch. It was gonna be 6, we made it 8 since we like to be outside. The scan here. We had that post and this post widened to the same width as the doorway so it doesn't obstruct the view. And there's your 8-foot porch. You can see next door they have a 6-foot porch, and you can see the difference. One feature that we added on here is not only do we have outdoor outlets, but up high you will see an outlet, a switchable outlet, so that we can hang lights around the perimeter of the porch up high on a switch, maybe even on timer. But so we'll have some outdoor lights out here. We do have 2, actually 3 ceiling fan mounts, but they're going to be small fans with no lights, obviously, across the porch. And that is our beach house.